Hey y'all, it's your girl T Honor. I can only be me. Hey, 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 hey y'all. Hey y'all. How you doing today? Happy Thursday to each and every one of you guys. I know what the day is. It's gonna be posted on Thursday. Lord have mercy, he all over here in my business, ain't he? Over here. Whew. Lord have mercy, can't do nothing for myself. He all up in the Kool-Aid, don't even know the flavor, honey. Anyway, hey y'all, how y'all doing? I am coming on to do a haul today. Grandma said, hey y'all, hold on. Uh-oh, y'all can't see it, hold on. So anyway, Grandma said, hey. She said, how y'all doing? Go on speak, Grandma.
How y'all doing? And I'm tired.
And I'm tired too, so we finna get to this haul, y'all. Okay. So yeah, let's go ahead on and get started, honey, cause I ain't got much or nothing, but we got a few little things that we needed for the house, and Grandma got her some monkey junk. So basically, this stuff is Grandma stuff. Okay. So anywho, welcome to all my new subscribers, and welcome back to all the old subscribers. Listen, y'all, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, okay? And also, if you are new to my channel and you have subscribed, don't forget to ring the doorbell each and every time that you come over here, honey. Put a ding on the dong and ring that doorbell, okay? If you don't know what the doorbell is the like button, the thumbs up, the whatever you want to call it, honey, okay? Hit it one time for your girl, all right? Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified each and every time that I upload a video. Okay? You don't want to miss out on them. You don't never know what I'm bringing, honey. I do a variety of things, honey. Ain't the same thing all the time. Alrighty. So I hope y'all is having a good day today. And now that we got all that established, honey, let's go on and get to this haul. Y'all have a blessed one. I love y'all and thank y'all for coming over. And listen. Don't forget to ring that doorbell now. I'm watching. Okay. All right. So listen, y'all. One more thing. HEYY Dust is still available, you guys. I'm just mentioning it because I have to advertise, okay, for myself. All right. So promote myself, okay. So, y'all email me at Tiana_seasonings@hotmail.com if you would like to get your hands on my HEYY Dust. My HEYY Dust comes in 2 flavors. It comes in the original and it comes in the Cajun. Okay, so if you would like to get any information on it and get your hands on some of the HEYY Dust, put in the order for some, honey, email me. Okay, Tiana TIANA _seasonings SEASONINGS @hotmail.com. If you don't know how to use email, then send it to my P.O. box. All the information will be in my description box. So hit the title of the video and the description will come down. That way you can write it on down so you can get to me, okay? The way we need to working on that. All right, y'all. But like I said, you can send me a letter to my P.O. box. So to make the process a little bit more faster, you can put your phone number on the letter. Let me know to call you at whatever number. Okay? All right, y'all. I love y'all. Y'all have a good one. All right, we're going to start over here. Everything is all mixed up together, honey. I just fit it up here the best way that it fits. Okay, so we got some things for the house, and also a lot of these things is for Grandma. Y'all know Grandma got to have her monkey junk, her snacks, her goodies, her get out. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we got going on right here. All right, so down here on the bottom, normally y'all normally see me with the box of tissue and not the bag, but they had this bag on sale for $20.96, and the box is normally $20.98. So I was like, well, let me go ahead on and get this bag because I do like the bag better than the box, but the box is always cheaper than the bag at Sam's. So that's what I got this time. Okay. And plus this is the big rolls too. So this might last longer. And I like the feel of this tissue right here. I ain't gonna tell no lie. I do. But you know your girl always trying to get a bang for her buck. So I always get the box. Okay. But thankfully I was able to get the bag this time. Alright, so at Big Lots, I wanted to get 2 packs of them, but I wasn't able to get the 2. So I was only able to get the 1 of the paper towels. These paper towels, you get 8 rolls of them for $4.95. Can't beat that. at Big Lots, honey. So that's where I get my paper towels from. Y'all can go to Sam's, but I'm just letting y'all know where you can go and get a deal on some paper towels. It might not be the best paper towels, but you getting 8 rolls of paper towels for $4.95 to dry your hands off and soak up some grease. Okay, that's all that matters. All right, so also from Big Lots, I got some of these paper plates right here, y'all. You get 100 in a pack. I think it's like $2.60. So I got those. They're not the best of the best paper plates, but honey, they hold some food. Okay, that's all that matters. They hold the food up. You might need to put 2 on together and to warm up your food and for it to be sturdy. But at least it does the job. Okay, so from Walmart, I got these peanut butter cookies, and you get 27 in the pack. Those like $5.98, $5.96, something like that. So we got those. And the in our normal hauls, these potato chips. So we got these right here. You know, like I told y'all, Roses got these chips that be $2.99. So we got this kind right here. It comes with the popcorn, the cheese curls, the crispy, the plain potato chips, and the sour cream. And then we got that one right there, and it comes with the sour cream, the plain, and the barbecue. All right. Moving right along, Grandma got her some more nose tissues or whatever, Kleenex. She always, you know, like this. We like to stay stocked up on stuff, y'all. So I know y'all will see multiple of the same thing, but we like to be stocked up on our stuff. We don't like to run out of nothing. So a lot of this stuff that's up here, we already got some of it, but some of it we don't. But you know, we on the verge of running out, so we don't want to run out. Okay, all right. So got some nighttime severe medicine and some bananas that came from Walmart, of course. And these right here came from Big Lots, the Kleenex. You get them 85 in the box, 85 tissues in the box for 80 cents at Big Lots. Normally I would get them from the Dollar Tree or Roses, same amount, 85 for $1, but Big Lots had them for 80 cents. So I'm like, okay, I'm finding a little bit different stuff little by little as I go into, you know, Big Lots, because I can listen, y'all know me. I'm gonna get a bang for my buck. I'm gonna get a bargain. So yeah, I shop several different stores getting my deals or whatever. Y'all can do all y'all shopping in one store, but your girl right here, sister girl, honey, no, I'm gonna shop 4 and 5 different stores to get my sales. That's how I like to shop. Okay, so at Sam's, I got my plug-ins, the one that I like to use. This is the one that I'm using so far. I've been using this for about 2 months now, 2 months and a half, something like that. I've been loving it. So I'm mad because they ain't got the big pack no more, and I'm mad that every time I go they ain't got them on sale. So I have to buy 2 of them instead of 1 to try to last me a good little while or whatever. So anywho, okay, so then from Sam's, I got the bananas. And also, what I find is, I think it's a better deal to go to Sam's to get the plug-ins. You get, what, 6 of them in a pack for $9.98, $9.96, something like that. $10, might as well say. 6 in the pack for $10, which that's a better deal to me, because you get like 2 in the pack at Walmart for like $5. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's a better deal. Hey, whatever y'all want to do, that's what y'all do. But you know, they even have, you will even get more in the pack with the Glade. I'm thinking about switching over to Glade. That way I have both of them. I'm not saying that I'm getting rid of this one, but I'm saying I'm gonna have both of them that way, because Glade be having sales on theirs, and you get like I think it'd be like 8 in the pack, and it'd be like $7 and something. So I'm thinking about switching over to Glade too. That way I have both kinds. That way whenever Glade go on sale, I can get the Glade, and then when Airwick go on sale, I can have my Airwick. That way I flip flop, honey, always having a deal. You know what I'm saying? Instead of having to pay full price, honey, got to be smart about it. Okay, but this time I did it like this. Next time I'm going with the Glade. Okay, just to let you know, I'm gonna be switching over. Y'all gonna be looking like, I thought you had Airwick. Yep, I did, but I'm gonna be going with whoever on sale. Okay, all right. So then Grandma got her some saltine crackers. She got 2 boxes of those, and another thing of the cocoa butter. Also, And that came from Walmart. The cocoa butter came from Walmart, and the saltines came from Walmart. And this pack of gum came from Walmart, and these toilet bowl fresheners came from Walmart. We like to use these. Grandma like to use them, not me. Grandma use them, to freshen up her bowl or whatever. So we like to keep those on hand, and whenever we can get them, I like to stock up on them because them toilet bowl fresheners don't ever stay on the shelf for some reason. Like, we ain't the only one that like them, I guess. Well, Grandma, she ain't the only one that like them. So, she got to stay stocked up on her stuff, honey. We don't want her to be running out, okay? Don't want to do that. All right, so got us some more Snuggle Pods. This is the fabric softener. I love this brand, y'all. And I love that scent. It smells so good. And I like pods instead of, the liquid because I am very heavy-handed when it comes to washing powder, liquid detergent, fabric softener, bleach, honey. Your girl just, honey, my hand be catching a seizure, honey, when I be pouring. So, I just have to get me the pods that way I can limit myself, okay? All right, so Grandma needed her some more air freshener or whatever, and she be running out when it comes to that Febreze. And y'all know Febreze ain't cheap. It ain't cheap. So, I had to get her something where, I just don't see it just being wasted in the air, because every time she spray, honey, I just be like, Lord, they go them $7, $8. So the best thing for her is the dollar one, because she don't realize how expensive these things is. So we got her these Glade. This is the new one, the Exotic Tropical Blossom, and it smells so good, y'all. I mean, when I tell y'all, honey, they did that on that scent there. They did that on that scent right there, honey. It got a sweet, Hold on, let me see if y'all can smell it. Hold up. Can you smell it? So sweet. Smells so good. Did y'all download the Smell-O-Vision? Oh my goodness. It got like a clean, fresh scent. Light. It's not too strong. Which I like strong scents, but like this one here is just so mild and so sweet, so light. Like, for those of you that don't like real strong scents, that one right there, I think y'all would like, okay? Alrighty. So from Big Lots, I got some of these cups. I think for them 80 cups, it was like $2. I think it was like $2 for them cups right there. So we got those. And then Grandma got her some more popcorn. Y'all know Grandma love popcorn. And so this time, I just let her get the extra butter. Because, when she do good on her sugar, I allow her to have certain things. You know what I'm saying? And that way, just splurge a little bit. Let her have what she want or whatever. To keep her from, being, what you call it when you keep yourself from having things that you want. Well, that's what I try not to do. I know she be wanting certain things sometimes, and she can't have them like she want to. So when she can have it, she have it readily available. Okay. All right. So also she got her some soda. She got the Sam's Cola, and she got the Dr. Thunder, the diet. Okay. That dark sodas and diet sodas is good for her. Zero sodas she can have. But sparingly. She don't drink it all the time, but she do drink it sometimes. Like those sodas right there, those sodas liable to last her the whole month. I ain't even gonna tell no lie, because she don't drink it like that. Okay? But then they had these cheese puffs on sale. Didn't know Grandma loved cheese puffs, y'all. But Grandma, she don't eat cheese. I'm like, no, she shocked me when this was the kind of chips that she had been telling me about all along that she had been wanting. I didn't know it was the cheese puffs. So now she finally got her the cheese puffs that she been wanting. So those was on sale. If y'all want to go to Walmart and get them, they was on sale too for $5. Y'all can't beat that, because they about $3 and something really a bag. Okay, so then from Walmart, I got me the Great Value brand of the Gain washing powder pods. And like I told you, I like the pods. Okay, you get 31 in the bag, and I got 2 bags of those. And then Grandma, she got her some Vienna. She got 2 packs of those. And some chicken and noodle soup. That's the days whenever, I don't feel like cooking, or, something quick for in the morning, you know what I'm saying? She ain't got to wait on me to cook or whatever. She could just pop a chicken noodle soup in the microwave, take a medicine, be good to go. All right. Then I got these bean sprouts right here because I got a dish that I'm gonna be making for y'all. It'll be coming really soon. I think that video might post for y'all sometime over the weekend. So just be looking for it. It's gonna be a Chinese dish that I'm gonna be making for y'all. So just be looking out for it. Then I got another thing of the dish detergent. I already got one more that's unopened in the laundry room, but y'all know I don't like to run out of stuff, so I got me another one. Okay, and then hold on one second. All right, y'all. So I had to take those out the freezer, the other things that I had, and hold on, forgot one more thing. Okay, so I got 2 bags of the extra large shrimp, and this the cooked ones. Normally I like to get the peel and the vein raw shrimp, but this time I just went ahead on and got the cooked shrimp. I got a bag of peas and carrots, I got a bag of broccoli, and I got a thing of green onions up there at the top. Right here I got another case of water, and that's the last thing, y'all, that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and until next time, y'all already know who it is, what it is, what time it is, honey. Y'all already know it's your girl Tiana. I can only be me. So peace, love, and many blessings to each and every one of you guys. And I hope y'all have a good weekend. Okay? Love y'all. Matter of fact, this video is not gonna post on Thursday. I forgot. This video is gonna post on Friday because Thursday is game night. So just in case the weather be bad, you might get it on Thursday. If not, you're gonna get this video on Friday. All right. Love y'all. Y'all have a good one.